Hello friends, welcome to Jan and Jazz Castle. Today we are going to learn about bases. Come, let's learn what are bases. In chemistry, bases are substances that in aqueous solution release hydroxide OH ions, are slippery to the touch, can taste bitter if any alkali, change the color of indicators. Example, turn red litmus paper blue. React with acids to form salts. Promote certain chemical reactions. Accept protons. Difference between acids and bases. Acids are proton donors or electron pair acceptors. Acids are able to increase the H plus ions concentration in an aqueous solution. Acids have a pH value lesser than 7. Acids turn blue litmus paper into red. Acids react with bases to perform salts in an aqueous medium. Acids taste sour. Bases are proton acceptors, electron pair donors. Bases are able to concentrate the OH plus concentration in an aqueous solution. Bases have a pH value greater than 7. Bases turn red litmus paper into blue. Bases react with acids to form salts in an aqueous medium. Bases taste soapy. Now let's see what are types of bases. Some common strong Arrhenius bases include potassium hydroxide KOH, sodium hydroxide NaOH, barium hydroxide BaOH 2, calcium hydroxide CSOH, strontium hydroxide SrOH 2, calcium hydroxide CaOH 2, lithium hydroxide LiOH, rubidium hydroxide RbOH. There is a picture of the pH scale. Properties of bases. Can you tell any one property of bases? Okay, let me tell you. Properties of bases are: bases taste bitter, for example mustard and soap. Bases cause weak organic acids to change color litmus paper to blue, basic blue. Acids destroy base properties. React with acids to form salts in water. Bases are electrolytes. Feel soapy or slippery. Bases are formed when the oxide of some metals dissolve in water. CaOS plus H2O is equal to CaOH2 AQ. Reaction with acids. Reaction with acids mean bases that neutralize acids to form salt and water. Some of these reactions are as follows. NH4OH plus HCl is equal to NH4Cl plus H2O. FeOH3 plus 3HNO3 is equal to FeNO3 plus 3H2O. The third equation, 2AlOH3 plus 3H2SO4 is equal to Al2SO4 3 plus 6H2O Uses of bases. Uses of calcium hydroxide. Cavity liner and bases. Pulp capping therapy. Pulpotomy procedures. Apexification. Intracanal medicament. Root canal sealer. Prevention and treatment of root resorption. Repair of perforations. Treatment of root fracture. Sodium hydroxide. An inorganic compound with following synonyms: caustic soda, lye, sodium hydrate. NaOH, widely used in organic, industrial, chemical. NaOH is having certain properties like sodium hydroxide's chemical formula is NaOH. NaOH molecular weight of 39.997 gram or mole. Sodium hydroxide is containing pH of 12 to 14. Ammonium hydroxide fertilizer. Quite a lot of world's ammonia is actually being used in the production of fertilizers. Almost 85% of all ammonia in the world, but only in either its salt or its solution form. These are ammonium nitrate and ammonium sulfate. Ammonium nitrate is NH4NO3 and is used in high nitrate fertilizers. It is created by the acid-base reaction between ammonia and nitrate. HNO3AQ plus NH3G is equal to NH4NO3AQ. Ammonium sulfate is NH4SO4 and is used mainly in fertilizer in the reduction of pH of the soil. It is created by synthetic ammonium reacting with sulfuric acid, 2NH3 plus H2SO4 is equal to NH4 2SO4. Cleaner. Household ammonia NH3 or ammonium hydroxide is a household cleaning product. It is so popular because it is generally streak free and is used mainly in the cleaning of glass, stainless steel and occasionally a stove. It will usually contain 5 to 10% ammonia. What is the formula of rubidium hydroxide? Answer: RbOH. Can you tell one reaction with acid? NH4OH plus HCl is equal to NH4Cl plus H2O. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell button near the subscribe button. Thank you. See you next time.